This is right. Yeah. Nature is so nice. Look at this. This is the bridge. You walk on this
Spanish bridge.
old Spanish bridge. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Oh, wow. You guys, I'm on a little nature walk. We are actually in Point Hill District in St. Catherine. We are heading on to the pump house where the water supply has begun from right here. There's a little farm down there. Yeah, a little farm is there. And we are going to the pump house. This is the pump house. Say hi to my camera, yeah? Yeah, this is the one, brown paper boss, you know? Yeah. This is the little reservoir that supply the community of Duxes. Here you can see Duxes Pump House, St. Catherine. Yeah, we used to walk right down. No, we used to walk down here. Let's change it up now. Yeah. Isn't this beautiful? This is nature. We used to walk all the way around and catch water. Right here. Oh, you open it? Okay, guys. Let's take a sneak peek. That's the water. You can't see under there because it's dark. Shine some light. This is where we used to come and get water. We're growing up.
This is water, no boy.
Yeah, they put chlorine in there and stuff like that.
Treatment.
Yeah.
Yeah, we go down one.
This is it. This is the...
So we can't go take a little swim in there?
No, you're crazy.
Let's drink it.
Close it back. Nature nice. Yeah, close it back. Okay, let's go back up.
Yeah, drink that.
No, you cannot walk there. Come, let's go, let's go. Heading up back to the main.
Whoa.
Over here, cool.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Back of the bush they will live, you know.
It's not far. Just over the mountain. Oh, wow, this is so nice. Go brown, go. And the nice little dasheen farm is right here. Oh my God! Mud.
Okay, yeah.
Place coolie. Country life, nice. Cool breeze, fresh air. Oh, a little bit of cabbage over there. Wow, this is a journey.
Worth it though.
Yeah, it was a nice little walk.
Then the same one, I share them country Friday night.